All right, you guys, today I'm gonna show you how to elevate your can of Gloria greens, you guys. Yeah, we're not gonna be, doing no regular greens. We're gonna do some how to make a canned green, soul food. Now, these will taste good by themselves, but I'm gonna show you a trick. All right, so what you wanna do, how you're gonna be elevating these Gloria canned greens is add a little garlic oil. First thing first, mind you, always gotta have some kind of fat content. So it's gonna be some oil first. I'm gonna add into it. So we're gonna be sauteing some vegetables. Now, when it comes down to canned greens, they kind of lose out on the crunch factor. You know what I'm saying? So I want to have a little, base to it. Because they do chop everything down and probably sits in the can for a while. So this is one way to elevate it. Saves time too at the same time. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your temperature is on high. Add in your onions. So that's probably about half a cup of onion, minced up. Yeah, that's all you pretty much need. Smells real good. Now, next thing you want to do is add a little color. So that's what we're going to proceed here to next. Add in your color. So what do you mean? You're probably wondering, what do I mean by color? You know what I'm saying? Red or green bell pepper, you guys. So add in about half a cup of that as well. Now these are frozen ones, but you can have fresh and chopped up. This is what I had in the refrigerator. That I added into it. Next thing, even though I added some garlic oil, what you want to do is you want to add some garlic. So about 4, 5 cloves of garlic. Now mine's already minced up. And just add that in. Like I said, all we're doing is building flavor, you guys. Mind you, Gloria's greens already have salt in them, so I'm not going to be adding too much salt base in it. And I'm going to show you any kind of greens, you want to have a smoky texture. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that next. So what I do is add liquid smoke. Now you probably see these put it on my meat sometimes, or in my beans, but I had probably about a good tablespoon of liquid smoke. So you see where we're going with it, right? We're building smoke, building flavor, building aroma to our Gloria greens. Now I'm gonna go over to the next part. All right, so the next season we're gonna be using this red, pepper flakes. So add it in. Probably, depending on your spice level, tablespoon or a teaspoon would do. This probably is just probably a teaspoon. You don't want to, be too hot. But you want to have it, have a little background kick. Now turn your temperature down on medium low. So right now, because you don't want to overly cook, your onions and bell peppers. Mind you, it's going to do the rest of the cooking when you add your can of greens in here. All right, you guys, so I'm not finished. So a couple of my ingredients, like I said, to elevate it to the next level, you guys. Now, we cannot have no greens without some bacon. So I chopped up about 4, bacon, 4 pieces of bacon, already cooked. Now, sometimes now, when I'm doing my regular greens, you see me add that beforehand as a fat. You see I already added a little fat already in there in the beginning, so it was no need for it, so I already had chopped it up. Now, you can do it the other way around to add it in the fat, but you got to have some kind of smoky fat. If you want to do some neck bones, smoked turkey, whatever you want to add to it, you can. Just always add a smoke element to it. All right, you guys, so we're coming down to the last few ingredients. So what you want to do now is just add in your 3 cans of, these are collard greens. So these are Gloria collard greens. Now you can do this same method, like I said, with regular greens or plain greens and stuff like that. And that's when you add your own sodium of your liking into it. But since Gloria is already seasoned well, I'm not going to add any more salt into this. Just, we're just elevating the flavors, you guys. That's all it is. This I know a lot of you guys like canned. Hey, greens, Gloria Greens is Gloria Greens. You know what I'm saying? Canned greens. But, these for the folks that, looking for something simple, but don't want it to taste like canned. You know what I'm saying? This is one way to go about doing it. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna get ready to mix all these in, put the third can in, and I'll show you the last ingredient that's gonna take it to the next level. Now, look at that. Now, see how amazing that looks? The little red brings it a pop of color. Also, too, you know what I'm saying? It elevates it with a little bacon. And I'm gonna show you the next ingredient. Hopefully my soul food folks out there don't get on me, but for telling too much of a secret. But what you add is add in butter. So we're gonna add in a half a stick of butter in here. This brings it a creamy note, also to a back flavor of it. And this could be a salted or unsalted butter, but it's another form of fat in your greens. So like I said, if you like greens and you want to leave out the meat, you can leave out all the meat and just add in all the ingredients that you saw put in besides the meat and stuff like that. So this helps it elevate it to the next level. And I got one more ingredient that I'm gonna add in. I'm gonna show you that this is my little add in, if I can find it. Oh, here it is right here. Now, this ingredient right here, people use, at the end, but I like to add in my, vinegar base. This is Louisiana hot sauce for those that don't know. Those that know, you know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna add a little bit of this in here. It gives it a little twang, a little kick, so I'm not putting much, but sometimes you be like, man, what's that in that green? Tastes something different. Well, a lot of times people actually throw in, a little vinegar. Some people do sugar. Let me know in the comments below if you add sugar into your greens. I don't really add sugar into it at all. That's just my preference. But but to each his own. Let me know in the comments, do you add sugar? Or you add any other ingredients? Or even give me some suggestions of what you think. But that's all there is to it, you guys. A simple way to make some Gloria Greens in an elevated manner where you still, you try to get away from that can feature. But hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to see these wonderful dishes. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.